Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you easy Canva trick to add glow effects in photos. So let me go to canva.com first and then select on create a design, go for custom on 1920 by 1080p for full HD resolution, select create new design, and now for glow effect. Okay, so go for image, let's say character. Okay, let me just copy an image from the website. So I will go with this one, just right click on it and copy the image and paste here by pressing Ctrl plus V, and now select on it and select on background remover and go to edit section here and go for shadows option here and then click on glow. Now you can change the color according to your needs. You can increase the size, that's it. You cannot use glow or shadows at the same time. So in Canva you have to just download this one. Let me just download it. Download it as PNG format and make sure you check transparent background option and then go for download. Add a page, upload the image. Okay, and now you can use or you can add shadows or stroke if you want to. Go to the edit section, then go for shadows, and now you can give outline. Okay, I think okay, so you can use outline or you can add drop shadow. Okay, that's it.